Robert back here, Bluegrass Bushcraft. Just finished the final touches on the AK. Went ahead and done it off video. I'm sure y'all getting bored with these by now, me sanding and buffing on these things. I had my final coat on there, and I guess still will and buff the sheen off of it just a little bit. I didn't buff enough to take the finish off, just enough to get some of the sheen off. Turned out pretty good. And the grain popped really well. I mean, I really like it. And it's 100% better than what it was before I started. So well, I don't know about 100%, but it's a lot nicer than what it was before I started. I think it turned out really well. I mean, like I said, I'm not a professional, but I mean, it did turn out pretty good. But see if I can remember how to put this thing back together. See what she looks like assembled. Butt plate back on here. Butt plate has a little wire there around the edges. Probably should have painted that. Which I still can. I can take it back off. It would be no problem. Go back and repaint that butt plate. But I don't know how long it lasts anyway. I mean, it gets a lot of wear there. Gets tied about right there. Take this rubber mallet, just kind of tap the end of it, tap it back in place. Gotta do it. Two screws that go back in here behind back the receiver. Holds the stock back on. As y'all can see, I lay down this piece of corrugated plastic here just to keep from scratching up my new finish if it was to slide while I'm putting it together. Gas tube cover. Put a little clip back in there. And just turn it completely back around until it lines up on both sides. The lower, very simple to put on. Slides right in place. Slide the, don't know the name of it, but the little bracket slides back there. Little lock, we'll just mash right back down in there. That's all there is to it. Gas tube back on. Have to put it on the other end first. And we'll just lock down the little lever. That part's good to go. Get this bolt back in here. Piston. Sometimes have trouble with this part here. Like that, went right in. Spring back in. Just lock in place right there. Here's something I normally really do have trouble with, lining this dust cover back up. Not too bad. Practice makes perfect. Far from perfect, but Pro Mag back in there. Alright. Here we go, folks. What do you think? Now that looks so much better. It's out here in the light where we can see it a little bit better. Maybe I'm gonna lay it down and scuff up my finish. There we go. Man, she sure turned out pretty. Out there in the light, it looks good. That old dark shop. The other side. Kind of hard to do this. Hold the camera with one hand and yeah, it looks much better. Yeah, I'm happy with it. That stock wood is all really slick. I'm tickled with it. Back in working order. Alright, you all know the routine. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching.